Hi children, today at the end of today's class you will be able to learn distribution of minerals in India, uses of minerals and the conservation of minerals. Students, in this page you can see the map with metallic and non-metallic minerals distribution. In the first map you can see the metallic minerals distribution in different states. For example, lead, zinc, copper, bauxite, iron, manganese, gold and coal also the metallic minerals which are spread in the different parts of the India. And in the second map you can see the non-metallic minerals, that is limestone, mica, dolomite, asbestos and gypsum, and the distribution in different states of the India. Now let's see the distribution of minerals among the different states in the India. First comes iron ore. Iron ore contains two kinds of grades. It means high grade and low grade. So there are two types of iron ore, that is magnetite and hematite. Magnetite is a high grade iron ore than the hematite. The first leading producer of the magnetite iron ore is available in Jharkhand and followed by Odisha, Chhattisgarh, MP, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Now second comes bauxite. As you all know that bauxite is the ore of aluminium. They process the bauxite and they make aluminum out of it. Major bauxite producing areas are Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Next comes mica. Mica deposits mainly occur in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan. And you all know that India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. We produce in larger quantity and we export also in the world. Now comes the other metal called copper. Copper is mainly produced in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. As you all know that copper is mainly used in electronic industry and it is also used for making of utensils. And now comes the manganese. Manganese is used as alloy in the smelting of iron or else in the manufacturing of iron. So India's manganese deposits lie in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Next, limestone. Limestone is also one of the substance which we use it for the manufacturing of iron. The major limestone producing states in India are Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Now next comes gold. As you all know that gold is a precious metal and it is widely used in manufacturing of jewelry or making of jewelry. So Kolar mines in the Karnataka has deposits of gold in India. These mines are among the deepest in the world, which makes mining of this ore a very expensive process. As it is available in the deeper layers of the earth, the mining is very expensive. So though if you extract also, the cost of the gold is much higher when compared to the gold in the international market. That's why we stopped mining of this gold in the Kolar mines. Next comes the last one, it is salt. Salt is obtained from seas, lakes and rocks. India is one of the world's leading producers and exporters of salt. Minerals are used in many industries. Either they use directly or indirectly. Minerals like gems and precious stones are usually hard and are used for making jewelry. Copper is another metal used in everything from coins to pipes and also for the making of utensils and helpful in electronic industry. Silicon is used in computer industry. is obtained from quartz, which you can see here, silicon and quartz. Aluminium is the metal which is obtained from the ore called bauxite, which we learned earlier. So this aluminum is the lightest metal, that's why they use this metal for making of utensils, the bodies of aeroplanes, buses, and in the bottling industry, cooking, in the kitchenware, electronics, and whatnot, every industry. Conservation of minerals. Minerals are a non-renewable resource. They are not obtained or formed in our lifespan. It means it takes thousands of years for their formation. The rate of formation is much smaller than the rate at which the human consume these minerals. So, it is necessary to reduce the wastage in the process of mining. Recycling of metals is another way in which the mineral resources can be conserved. That is why, children, we need to reduce, reuse and recycle the minerals. Then we can able to conserve these minerals. So let's think, explore and advise about the conservation of minerals. It is the duty of everyone should make a difference in conservation of minerals. Let's see here what kind of minerals we can recycle. Brass, we can recycle. Aluminium, this metal also we can recycle. Even iron ore, iron casts, those also we can recycle. Copper, steel, metal sludge, bronze. So all these can be recycled items. So one thing have you observed, children? All these are metals. So metals we can recycle. Now here we see the old mobile phone. From the old mobile phone they collect the collector metals. They collect the metals. So they recycle those metals again. Again they use these metals in the electronic industry. For example, silver, copper are the precious metals which they use it for manufacturing of these mobiles. That's all for today, children. Thank you. Stay tuned.